What's up guys, check out this snorkel set. So we're in the beautiful Dominican Republic right now. We're gonna go ahead and try this out in the water. It has a built-in breathing apparatus at the top that connects. It also has a section for your GoPro, so you could just hook it up and film while you're underwater. It has a nice full coverage of your face. You just breathe into here and the CO2 comes out right from the side right here and the air comes in from here. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out.